Hello guys, good morning YouTube. It has been a few weeks since my last video uploaded in YouTube. I've been busy with works, and all sorts of activities of mine. So I've not been focused in publication of YouTube video. For that, to thank you to all the first time viewers. Thank you for come by and watch my video in my channel, and also thank you to all the subscribers, all the viewers that have been stay with my channel for quite a long time now. Alright, so today I would like to share about the plan of modification of this van. So I have not done any major one inside the van. I just removed the last seat only, and then I will maintain this middle back seat. And also you can see I put a temporary curtain, so to stealthy. Okay. Alright. Today's video will be how do I plan to modify my van into camper van. For your information, after I watched numerous videos of camper van in YouTube from all around the world, I've decided to make a no-build van. So no-build van is a modification that requires no carpentry skill. That requires no hammers, nails, screws. The reason behind of this no-build van is because, of course, the budget lah. It will require a very minimum budget, very minimum budget. So I think I might spend just around less than 200 ringgit or 300 ringgit, just only for the containers and all the cheap things lah. Excluding the electrical system, excluding that, and also the water system lah. And then number one is the budget. Very low budget. You will need really low budget. So for those of you who interested in this project, you want to modify your van into your camper van, maybe you want to consider this method lah, no build van. So number two will be because I'm not very good in carpentry. I have no carpentry skill. So it's good actually you want to learn how to do carpentry, but not for me lah. No, not for this project. Maybe next time. Maybe next time when I buy I don't know, I will buy a better van, high roof maybe. But I think the next van will be imported from UK or Japan. I've watched so many videos. There's this particular model that I would like to purchase next time, inshallah. God's will. Alright, continue. Sorry about that. Where am I? Number one is the low budget. Low budget. Number two is for those who do not have any carpentry skill, then you don't want to spend more time in practicing, you're afraid to make mistakes, then you can go for this no build method lah. So you can get the ideas on how to execute this no build van build. So it requires things like containers, bungee cords. Bungee cords is used to secure all the things in this place lah. Alright, so that's about it. Number one and number two. I think that is the main reason why I chose to go for no build van. And then number three is because I bought a very old van, and then it's also not high roof, it's low roof, and I think don't want to spend so much money on it, because when you do carpentry you will require a lot of money. You have to have the tools, the necessary tools, the hammer, the screwdriver, the saw, You have to buy it first lah. You cannot use the hand saw. If you want to use a hand saw, you will take a very long time to complete the project. So you will need the machine saw, and like that lah. Right? So that is one of the things why I don't want to go for carpentry build. And the other reason is I feel I do not need the complicated carpentry modification. I feel that I just want to go camping, all the necessities, you know, good electrical system, enough battery to charge your phone, to charge your fans, and then you have the toiletries. You see, I will make the in-house toiletries, including toiletries means the shower. You will the shower, and also the if you want to use the toilet lah, if you want to use toilet. So this is necessities, the toiletries, the electrical system, the water system, and I think that's about it lah. So that's why I think the nobuild van will satisfy me. I'm not that complicated guy. As long as I can sleep in this van, I can eat, I can sleep, I can wash my body, I can have a shower. That's fine. Okay, I think that's about it. So let's go to the slide.